Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how I achieved this hairstyle with some hair paint.
Don't touch my head. Do you want it? You want it?
And I'm going to be spraying my hair with water. And I'm going to be using my diamond brush. Once my hair are fully detangled, I'm gonna be using my Eco Styler gel, and I'm gonna basically use it and put it on my roots just to make sure that my hair are really slicked down when I'm gonna tie them with my tania.kns headband. Once my roots are really slicked down, I'm gonna be using my puffy band to tie my hair, and you can find those puffy bands at tania.tsn.com/tsn/shop. And then to have that top knot really ninja bun, I'm really gonna use another elastic that's a bit bigger just to hold my hair into like really place, like a tour or something like that. And to finish that ninja bun, to make sure that the end is really standing still and not moving too much when I go outside, for example, I'm gonna use that little rubber band that we can actually not see when I'm gonna put it on. And now it's time to pass with the hair coloring. So I'm gonna be using that hair paint. Of course, I'm gonna put the links down below in the description box if you want to get some. I got them from Amazon in a pack of 6, and it's really worth it because you can really play around with it and use it multiple times. And to apply the hair paint, I'm actually going to be using some gloves just to make sure I don't have too much hair paint left on my fingers. And then now I'm just going to start with the roots with some of blue, and then I'm going to finish on the top of the bun with some purple. And as you can see, it's really working well with my hair, especially that my hair are really dark outside of the blonde part that I have, but it's really working well with my hair. And in previous videos where I did the red, for example, you can actually see that the hair paint is really taking on as if my hair was blue. You can still see that it's somehow, some way like a hair paint and not really hair coloring as much as if it was an actual color. But I feel like it's a good alternative if you don't want to dye your hair and not damage your hair, because this is basically just like a hair lotion with color in it, with pigment in it. So again, it's in my description box if you want to get some, and I really recommend you to get the pack of 6 so you can actually play around with it and you don't have to order too many times and stuff like that, and then the shipping is only once. Also, when you want to wash it out now, it's going away after one wash if you wash your hair like 2-3 times when you do your washing day. But it's really good because if you, let's say, want to dress for Halloween or for a special event, you want to have red or gray or blue hair, let's say, you just can put it on and then the same night it's going to be off if you wash your hair. Here you go, it's the final result now. Just tell me down below what you think about this color and about this hairstyle with it, or what would you have done with this color in your hair. And that's it for me today. I hope you enjoy, and I'll see you on the next video. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye!